How to save images to gallery by default in Telegram X. Hello guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can save images to gallery by default in Telegram X. So the first step is to launch your Telegram X account just like I have done here, and then you can see your charts and all of that. Once you can see that, move to the top left corner where you can see three horizontal dots and click on it. Then in the option displayed, ensure you select settings. Then once you select settings, you will be brought to the settings page. On this page, you can see options like devices, notifications, data, and storage. So that is our focus. Just click on it. And then on data and storage page, scroll down until you can see automatic media download. Normally, if you're on Telegram, under the automatic media download, you will see options like save photos and videos to gallery, and then you see a toggle. By the time you click on the toggle, the it means that whenever you download photos or videos or wherever, it will be saved automatically to your gallery. But on Telegram X, you can see that the option is not there. This is because you cannot save images to gallery by default in Telegram X. Instead, by the time you download a video or a photo on Telegram X, the next option will be for you to save it manually yourself. And what do I mean? So for example, I would be downloading a particular um audio from a channel I'm on, and then okay, let's wait for it to load. So on this page, for you to be able to save audios or videos to your gallery, the only thing you have to do is to select the audio or video this way, all right, by clicking on the download option on the page, and then a list of options will be displayed. Among this option, ensure you select more, and then you can see the option download. So once that's been downloaded, you can now click on it again for you to save it to your gallery. So this is the only way you can do so. But for you to save images or videos or audios to gallery by default in Telegram, you can only do that in Telegram and not on Telegram X. All right, so that is it. Thanks for watching and have a good day.